morning, dear students. Today we are discussing about the topic significant figures. What do you mean by significant figures? Total number of digits in a measured physical quantity is termed as significant figures. Total number of digits in a measured physical quantity is termed as significant figures. Then what are the rules to find out the number of significant figures? These are very important. We will study it in chemistry as well as in physics. Okay, then we can go to the rules. The first rule, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Then can we move to the one example? 146 centimeter. 146 centimeter has three significant figures. 146 centimeter has three significant figures. Then 15.61 centimeter will have how many significant figures? 15.61 centimeter, 4 significant figures, because these 4 digits are non-zero. So we can term the 4 digits as significant figures. Then we go to the another example, 216.456 centimeter. These 6 digits are non-zero digits, so we can consider it as 6 significant figures. Then we can go to the next rule, rule number 2. What is rule number 2? Zeros placed to the left of the first non-zero digits in the given physical quantity are significant. Zeros placed to the first non-zero digits in the given physical quantity are significant. Can we move to an example? Can we look to the example 0.56? The zeros placed to the first non-zero digit to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. That is 0.56 will have 2 significant figures. This 0 is not at all considered as significant. Then next one, 0.0056. 0.056. Then how many significant figures will it have? 0.056 will have 2 significant figures, because zeros placed to the left of the first non-zero digit, that is here the first non-zero digit is 5. Zeros placed to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. Then consider another example, 0.00312. 0.00312 will have 3 significant figures, because the zeros placed to the left of the first non-zero digits are not at all considered as significant. Then we can move to the next rule, third rule. What is the third rule? Zeros placed to the right of the decimal point are significant. Zeros placed to the right of the decimal point are significant. Then we can go to the example 15.0. 15.0, this 0 is placed to the right of the first decimal point, that is it is placed to the right of the decimal point. Then we can say that this 15.0 centimeter will has 3 significant figures. 15.0 centimeter, this 0 is placed to the right of the decimal point, so this is also considered as significant. Then another example, 15.00 centimeter. 15.00 centimeter will have 4 significant figures. Then we can consider another example, 15.550. It's already depicted here in the board. How many significant figures will have? 15.550 centimeter will have how many significant figures? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures are present in 15.550 centimeter. Then we can move to the last rule, fourth rule. Zeros placed between 2 non-zero digits are significant. Zeros placed to the between the 2 non-zero digits are considered as significant. In order to demonstrate the rule, we can consider an example, 6.08 centimeter. The 0 in between these 2 non-zero digits are considered as significant. So this 6.08 centimeter will have three significant figures. 1.00 centimeter. Another example will has 3 or 4 significant figures. How many significant figures were there? Okay, then 4 significant figures are there. Then another example we can consider 15.026 centimeter. It will have 5 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 0 in between the 5 and 2 is considered as significant because it is in between the 2 non-zero digits. So it is considered as significant. These are the 4 rules regarding the significant figures. First one, all non-zero digits are considered as significant. Then second one, zeros placed to the left of the first non-zero digits is not at all considered as significant. Then zeros placed to the right of the decimal point are considered as significant. Zeros placed in between 2 non-zero digits are considered as significant. These are the 4 rules regarding the significant figures. Hope you have understood well.